Urukiko rwahwera izuba kandi rwabarukurirwe Principal Judge Justice Flavian Zeija. Ekiragiro ekirikukora akakoko ka siriimu kitira abantu na munonga abo barikuba bakozire manja bagumana bashereka oburwire bwabo habwo kugira ngu ekiragiro eki ekyakashonshore kikiga na 29 akaana ka kashatu n'akakana ngu omuntu yatoroboza omwana bakamukyebera bakashanga ina akakoko ka siriimu ngu kifubire kibakuba nibaza kumuheereza nibacungeraho.
Turebire turikusherura ekirikuturemesa ninga ekirikutuzibira kutunga ebi omu bwangu ninga kumaraho endwara zo mu bwangu niki twareba ngo ebimwe mu rubyo n'amateeka gitu aguturikozesa abo kuba nk'iteeka erikukora akakoko ka siriimu kugira ngo omuntu yaba arwire siriimu yashanga ngo aine omuntu ondijo wabyamire nawe nikimanyisa ngo omushango gwo nugwimukwa gurgaha ryeje emishango endijo gutebwa higuru y'emishango.
Abahona baterira abantu murango kwikereza bakagamba oburwire bwabo bwa siriimu bagumize ngo eki nikija kuyambiha ngo muhoro yo kuchendeza okujanjara kwa kakoko ka siriimu
ngu okugira ngo washango ina kakoko ka siriimu tukikongyezaho kifubiro ngu nitwe twenka nitukireba ngo mu mateeka tukwe kyakubiri.
We Rafael Olinga orukamisha nawe bihoma habwe by'amagara nagira ngo kiretire endwara yo kukanya mu bihome n'omwijurano gw'abasibe ogubaremesa okutuma onkora emiringo yakubire netebweho kuyamba abasibe okwihara endwara ezo butabakwata.
But of course the funding also is not allowing. I've just told you we have 265 prison units, and if you are having a budget of also around 260 or so million shillings, that leaves, if it is only fumigation, 1 million per unit. What about other drug provisions?
Here to disclose to the respective officers their health status due to lack of confidentiality in the detention areas, stigma and discrimination faced by those who are known to be sick, and general lack of proper medication in these facilities. The Minister of Health noted the prevalence of TB and malaria among uniformed men and women and suspected that it may be due to their interaction with suspects during arrest and the attendant processes like detention and statement recording.
Aba bahireyo kushaba ko mu rukiko rw'ebiro bibiri orubesere high level meeting of criminal justice actors orubiro mu tawuni ya Mbarara gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.